I hear you. Movers are way too expensive, but there's gotta be something I could do to make my moving a little bit easier, right? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you my 2 favorite products for moving that are guaranteed to make it just a little bit easier. Hey friends, welcome to Adulting with Esther, the show where we talk about the things that you don't learn in school. I'm Esther Page, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my 2 favorite products for moving. We're going to be talking about the Husky Box Cutter, and we'll be talking about the Duck HD Clear packing tape. If you're new here, welcome. Consider hitting subscribe down below so you can be alerted when we post our next video. And make sure you check out the description below where you'll be able to find the links to the products I reference in this video, as well as other valuable information and videos that I know you're gonna love. That's enough of that. Let's get started. Here I have my Husky box cutter. I really like this box cutter because it has a button on here that allows it to be retractable, so that when I have it in my toolbox, I don't accidentally stick my hand in there and end up getting a finger sliced off, which does happen to people. It also comes with 10 replaceable blades that are in a separate cartridge, and they're really easy to replace. You simply slide this notch over, pull the bottom down, and your blade will come right out. In fact, the way it's set up, I'm able to flip the blades around, so I guess technically it comes with like 20 blades then, right? Pretty cool. And this putting it back is the same. You just slide the box cutter in, down, and you release the click. Boom, and all the way back in there. It doesn't close on its own, so I don't have to worry about it cutting off my fingers. In order to shut it, there's a release back here. You can see it closes in. You can find this in the description, I linked it. One of the most valuable tools that I have, especially when I'm moving and packing, because it has this belt clip here. I always lose scissors and knives when I'm using them to pack and unpack boxes. This I can just clip to my shirt or my pants and I never lose it. So now I'd like to open it up to you. What packing tape and box cutters do you prefer to use when you're moving? Let me know down in the comments. The other tool you're going to need is some packing tape. Personally, I like the Duck HD Clear. I like to buy it in the 6-packs from Amazon. That's the best value. That's also linked down in the description too. The reason I like this tape over other tapes is it's really thick, honestly, so it's less likely to rip or tear, and it's held for years. I also use this in my classroom when I taught kindergarten, and if it can hold up against a kindergartner, which by the way, they chew on everything. If it can hold up against that, it'll definitely hold up against anything you've got to do when you're packing, including like cats and dogs. If you got value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you liked this video, make sure you click the card at the end of the video, and it'll take you to another where you can learn more about how to get free boxes and other valuable moving tips for you. It's been a great time, friends. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.